I'm gonna do how to do the first half herbal juice. First, is snake. Now you start off with the timer. Now, after the tiger, you do the monkey. After the monkey, you do the boar. And after the boar, you do the horse. Okay, that's how you do it, guys. So peace. See you in my next video. And I hope you enjoy it.